Over at Walmart this morning buying another external hard drive because my 2 terabyte one crashed last night. So Kristen and I are leaving Alamosa, Colorado this morning. Before we get out of town though, I am going to stop and top off the fuel tank. And we are headed to Dodge City, Kansas. Shorter riding day. It's only about 350 miles, something like that. And that's where we'll be staying for the night. You know, I was looking at the weather maps this morning and the radar and everything, and we may change up the trip a little bit, but that is still TBD. Originally, the final night I was going to stay somewhere in Kentucky, maybe around the Lexington area, and now it looks like rain's going to be coming in there, so I may stay in Dayton, Ohio, which would be kind of funny because we stayed in Dayton the last night of the trip last year, so we'll see how that works out. The other thing that I was kind of laughing this morning, because, you know, we've been out on the road now, I don't know if this is day 12, day 13, 13, 14, 15, yeah, day 13. And I feel like, okay, the trip, I don't want to say it feels like it's almost over, but it feels like it's winding down, and we still have like 1,700 miles left to ride to get back home. But we've had a great time so far. I'm hoping the weather continues to hold out. It's been almost perfect, and we've just had a really good time, and I'm going to enjoy this last 1,700 miles on the way back to West Virginia. We're still in Colorado. We're still facing road construction and 1-lane roads. I know when most people think about riding out to Colorado, you think of the Rocky Mountains, and that's true. But everybody should know that pretty much Denver East is pretty flat, and that's what we're riding in right now. That said, we are about 5,700 feet above sea level right now, so while it may be flat across here, we still are up in the air pretty far, at least in regards to sea level. But as you can see, the roads are pretty straight. Kristen and I just stopped at a little place called Becky's Restaurant in Lamar, Colorado. Pretty cheap, pretty good food. Now we're gonna hop back on US 50, and we should be in Kansas here before too terribly long. Yeah, we've hit some milestones on this trip. Back on the first day, second day, whatever. We hit 10,000 miles total on the bike, and right now we're sitting at 14,999 miles, getting ready to flip over to 15,000. And there it is, 15,000 miles in less than a year with this bike already. I guess it was some sort of bug. This is why you wear protective gear when riding your motorcycle. See all the bugs on the front? Look at them here on the saddlebags. If you're not wearing it, that is your face and or skin. Man, that's disgusting. Of course, there are other reasons to wear protective gear too. That's just one of them. This is a pretty nice hotel.
Dodge City and Blue Hill are real places in the real American West.
You're in jail. Yeah, look at that nice bathroom back there. That scared me a little bit. Step on the floor.
An earthquake.
That's crazy.
Who fits in that?
Very small people. There's a storage closet. I didn't bring my horse, so this trough isn't going to come in too handy. In Dodge City, be sure to stop by the Boot Hill Museum. It's like 12 bucks. Check it out. Really fun time. You can even drink a beer in there at the Long Branch Saloon and then watch some cowboys shoot it out. We enjoyed the first pizza so much, we ordered a second. Always wear your helmet. Alright, so Dodge City Brewery was awesome. When you go there, you have two things, beer and pizza, and they do both extremely well. We talked to the owner there. They actually learned how to make the pizza in New York City. So if you like New York City style pizza, I think you're gonna love it. Beer was also very good. Kind of wish they had whiskey, but that's just me. Speaking of whiskey, I'm actually headed downstairs right now to get a little bit of ice and finally break open my flask that I've been carrying. Haven't really needed it. I'm not saying I need it tonight, but I'm gonna have a drink as I dump these memory cards. So far we have 298.4 gigabytes of footage, and I actually haven't downloaded some stuff off my phone, and I haven't downloaded anything that we've shot today, so I'm going to get all that backed up and I'll see you guys tomorrow.